what? Sell product always, all time. Rich like a papa, you know what? But I cannot because papa know what? Sell product always, all time. Oh yeah. Egg. Wake up, sell product. Lunch, sell product. Drive, sell product.
At mga kapolitika, yun po ang controversial na conversation ni Emma Tiglao, CJ Opiasa at itong si Miss Grand First Runner-Up na si Miss Thailand. So I believe dito ito sila sa TikTok. So napag-uusapan nila itong live selling ni Nawat na kung saan ay sinakyan kasi ito ng mga kaibigan nating mga Latinos at mga Indian at yung mga Indonesian. Sinakyan nila na baka ma-dethrone daw itong si Emma Tiglao at itong first runner-up na si Miss Thailand dahil sa conversation nila na kung saan ay pinag-uusapan nila yung live selling ni Mr. Nawat kung kaya daw mayaman itong si Nawat dahil sa nagla-live selling daw ito buong araw. So according dito sa kwento ni Miss Thailand ay all day long nagbebenta itong si Nawat dito sa kanyang TikTok store kung kaya daw sobrang yaman niya. Pero ang controversial kasi dito na sinabi ni Miss Thailand is hindi niya daw yun kayang gawin. So ito yung sinabi niya dito sa pa-live session nila sa TikTok na kung saan ay sinakyan ng mga nag-aabang lang ng opportunity para ma-dethrone si Emma Tiglao or even itong si Miss Thailand. So ang sabi niya is hindi na daw kayang gawin yung ginagawa ni Mr. Nawat na buong araw nagbebenta at maaga pa daw siya gumigising para lang dito sa pa-live selling nila. So hindi daw yun kayang gawin ni Miss Grand Thailand na kung saan ay naging iskandalo nga dito sa mga Latinos nang sinasabi nila ay nangamoy dethronement daw or baka daw tanggalan ng posisyon or ng ranking itong si Emma Tiglao at itong si Miss Grand Thailand. So hindi natin alam mga kapolitikano kung ito ay trip lang ni Miss Thailand or talagang coming from the heart niya sinabi na kasi di ba nag-live selling na ito before pa nag-start yung competition. Nag-live selling na ito doon kasama si Vena Pravinar. So hindi natin alam kung ito ay trip lang ni Miss Thailand dito sa kailang pa-live kasi naka-broadcast pa ito sa public. Buti na lang siguro mga kapolitika kung naka-private yung conversation nila. Pero the fact na naka-live sila is maraming mga mata, maraming mga tenga ang nakikinig sa kanila. At anytime ay pwedeng haluan niya ng issue or kontrobersya at palalakihin yung issue mo, especially ngayon na mainit itong mga nanalo dito sa Miss Grand International 2025, most especially doon sa Latin community. So talagang nagkakaisa sila na binabantay nila ang minuminuto at segundo na mga issues dito sa Miss Grand International. So hindi natin alam kung ito ba ay trip niya or talagang ganito or ito yung sentimiento ni Miss Thailand na siguro minsan is napapagod din siya dito sa live selling pero kinakailangan niya dahil ito yung duties and responsibilities. So dito naman tahimik naman itong si Emma Tiglao at si CJ Opiasa. Siguro ay nagpipigil rin sila mga kapolitika kasi baka mahaluan nga ng issue at kontrobersya pero ito talagang si Miss Thailand ay hindi talaga siya nakapagpigil. So siguro ay sinarili niya na lang yung masasabi ko dito ay sinarili niya na lang ni Miss Thailand kasi madadamay pa itong si Emma Tiglao at itong si CJ Opiasa. Kasi alam naman natin na very active itong si Nawat sa social media and nagbabasa nga ito ng mga comment at nanonood rin siguro ito ng mga vlog ng mga influencers. Hindi natin alam mga kapolitika kasi how come na nalalaman niya, di ba, yung sentimiento ng mga Pinoy kung tayo ay galit, kung tayo ay natutuwa, kung tayo ay masaya. So how come na alam ni Mr. Nawat yung mga galawan or how come na alam niya yung mga nangyayari, di ba, sa mundo ng social media. So ibig sabihin is meron siyang first hand na siya talaga mismo ang nagmo-monitor. So may posibilidad na ito ay talagang sentimiento or nagpakatotoo lang itong si Miss Thailand pero ang maganda dito is hindi naman nakisawsaw itong sina Emma Tiglao at si CJ Obiasa. So nakikinig lang sila dito sa mga ikinikwento ni Miss Thailand. Pero ang sabi din naman ng ating mga Filipino netizen, mga kapolitika, wala daw naman ito. Hindi daw big deal itong sinabi ni Miss Thailand na hindi niya kayang gawin yung mga pa-live selling ni Mr. Nawat, na kung saan is maaga palang gumigising na para dito sa kumikitang pangkabuhayan ng Miss Grand International. At kita naman natin na willing naman, alam naman ni Emma Tiglao in the first place prior na ito yung maging duties and responsibilities niya. So siguro ay normal lang naman na mapapagod sila, most especially na sila lang yung mag-isa na nag-live selling. Darating talaga doon sa moment na mabuboard dito sa ginagawa sa kailang pagtitinda ng mga produkto. Pero on the other hand naman is kumikita naman sila, meron naman silang porsyento dito na kung saan ay binibigyan sila ng Miss Grand International. So hindi naman siguro magkakandara pa yung mga contestant, yung mga candidate na manalo dito sa competition kung wala silang hinahabol, di ba? So ang aking maging reaction dito is wag na po nating palakihin itong isyong ito, mga kapolitika. Ginawa lang po natin ng video reaction para i-clarify na hindi ito basis or ground for dethronement. Magdidepende pa rin po yan doon sa attitude or behavior ng beauty queen na kinoronahan ng Miss Grand International. So ito ay parang lang nila, pampalipas oras lang nila, okay? So hindi siya big deal. Of course, makikita naman ni Nawat yung performance ng mga kandidato. Nagtatrabaho talaga sila, most especially ngayon itong si Emma Tiglao na nag-start na nga siya doon ng kanyang pagla-live selling, okay? So yun mga kapolitika ang ating update. At ano po ang inyong mag-reaction dito sa sinasabi nila na kung saan ay ground for dethronement na daw ito at baka daw magalit si Nawat dito sa sinabi ni Miss Thailand na kung saan ay hindi niya daw kaya itong ginagawa ng CEO ng Miss Grand International na kung saan ay all day long nagla-live selling. So ano ang inyong mag-reaction? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. Samantala, meron po palang video itong si Emma Tiglao dito sa Net25 na kung saan ay in-interview siya ng kanyang mga kapwa-host matapos na siya ay manalo dito sa MGI 2025. So panonoorin po natin ang video.
Province in Thailand. So the winner there is going to compete for Miss Grand Thailand. So there are 77 provinces here in Thailand that we're going to visit. Lapang is just the third. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do all. Let's see. Pero I'm really happy kasi Thai people are really supportive. Tapos a lot of Filipino people are there also in Chiang Mai. I am so shocked kasi pagbaba ko pa lang ng van, Filipino people are giving gifts. Tapos sila nanood to support. That's why I really wanna do a shout out for them kasi imagine their effort, their love, ibang klase. Sabi nga ni Papa Nawat, the owner of Miss Grand, sabi niya, Filipinos are all over the world. Sabi ko, anywhere you go, Filipinos are there.
And I have a feeling you're also going to be all over the world. Sabi ko nga kay Amiga, ang dream ko sa'yo maging to rule the catwalks of every country.
Wait, may peg tayo. Anong peg mo, Mama P? May peg siya for you.
Nakikinikinita ako na Emma, you're going to be baka masurpass mo pa ang mga nagawa ni Kelsey Merritt kasi
yes.
grabe ka talaga rumampa, umemote,
umaura. Grabe the outfits. Grabe, Emma. Everyone is talking about
it. Thank you to my team. Without them, it wouldn't be possible, And to all the Filipino designers, maraming salamat po. Sabi ko nga, hindi pa tapos kasi we're still here. We're going to host some events and visit some events also. So I'm going to need the help of Filipino designers. Hindi nga lang ako makakauwi, pero magpapadala naman sila.
Yun! Nice! So, there's no, wala pa talaga, open-ended pa talaga yung ticket mo pabalik ng Pinas.
Yes, we tried yesterday. Sabi ko, pwede ba kahit 2 or 3 days lang? Kaya lang sabi nila, wag muna. Kasi pa, lapit na rin yung event ng Miss Universe. Papa Nawat said that I'm going to host also some minor events with Miss Universe.
Galing! Oh, yun ang sabi ko. I was imagining that I think you guys are gonna have a Miss Grand Universe sash and crown. Am I correct?
I think walang ganon. Parang ano lang, si Miss Grand organization ang gagawa ng production ng Miss Universe kasi Thailand is the host country. And yun nga, isa tayo sa napili to host some minor events for Miss Universe.
Galing!
Pero Ems, tanong ko lang, hindi ka ba ever kinabahan during the entire time that you were in the coronation, during the coronation night? Kasi parang you really had it down. Every single movement, even every single word that you answered were on point.
And so calm.
Hi, Sir Nawat! Thank you for lending Emma for just a few minutes.
Naiyato mo si Papi.
Diba?
Yung kinabahan, nandun yung kaba, parang di naman yun mawawala. Lalo na this year is really a strong batch. A lot of beautiful girls, a lot of disciplined ones, and also in tandem, grabe, mga speakers ngayon. So, coming from Asia, from Europe, from Latin, from iba-iba, nakakakaba. And what I am most proud of is this batch is really the best because I found a genuine friendship behind it. Kapil kami ng sisterhood.
Di ba meron ngang nagsabi sa interview niya na whenever she was down, you would always be there for her.
Oh, yes.
That's Miss Zimbabwe.
That's amazing,
Yeah.
Emma. Di ba? Parang hindi lang beauty ka talaga outside eh. Pati yung beauty inside mo talaga nagre-radiate,
Yes.
diba? Wherever you go. Kaya naman, well-deserved.
Galing!
Pero, so, wait, your parents, I know they watched. Jonas, I know he watched. Pero nakauwi na sila lahat.
Si Mama P hindi nag-watch. Oo.
Next time, abandonahin ko na yung pamilya ko, yung asawa ko. See you later!
Okay, all in fairness man, I'll defend since nandun naman ako. Mama P was sick, right?
Oo,
She
at
didn't
saka
choose-
mahirap talaga kumalas. Kaya huwag ka muna magpakasal.
Ay, oo. Bawal pa.
Okay ba yung segue ko? Change topic?
Oo.
Pero hindi ko makakalimutan.
Grabe siya magtanim.
Oo
Oy,
nga.
hindi ka farmer ha. Beauty queen ka.
Wait lang.
Pero-
I'm thankful also and to the support of Kada Umaga family na lagi din nagme-message, Kuya Kenneth, the kids. I'm so sorry, hindi ako nagre-reply. Wala naman nagbago. Ganun pa rin naman
Tama. Normal naman sa kanya yon. Even before the crown, she was like that na. Pero, di ba, Emma, di ba, you started, you graduated tourism, right? Tapos,
Yeah, tourism.
nagtrabaho ka overseas, in a hotel. Pero, hindi pala yun yung nakatuon sa'yo. Ito pala yung nakatuon sa'yo na kung saan gagamitin mo pa rin yung tourism course mo.
Actually, oo nga.
Di ba?
Totoo.
Sabi ni God, no, it's not front desk in a hotel. You
No,
are...
sabi niya, ilalagay mo na kita dito for you to experience this, for you to learn some lessons, for
Oo
you to be
naman.
strong.
Of course.
And then I became a news anchor, I became a TV host with all the collective experience and the wisdom that I gained. Eto tayo ngayon, we're going to use it. And kaya nga sabi ko, after my prayer now, sa crown, to get the crown, now my prayer is give me strength and guidance to fulfill what you have given me.
Amen! So ano yung pinaka-na-enjoy mo dyan? I'm sure, kumakain ka ba? Kasi alam ko matakaw ka
Grabe
dati.
sila mag-alaga dito, Mama P. Parang kagabi umuwi kami 2 a.m. Kain kami ng shrimp, ng ano ba yun, na what else did we eat last night? Alam mo, Dito si Miss Thailand.
Oh, nice.
Can we see her?
Can we see her?
One of the best parts of the competition, yung I had genuine friendship.
Hi! Sawadika!
Sawadika! Gachabel.
Mali pa rin pronunciation. Hi, nice to meet you and congratulations!
Thank you so much, mahal kita.
Mahal. Kamusta? How do you find working with Emma?
ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะป้า she's so nice and she's very kind for me. She is very grand. both of us. And I'm very happy.
Nice. You guys take care of each other.
Of course.
Oo. And ano ba, masarap ba yung pagkain, Emma? Kumakain ka na ba? Pwede na ba?
Yeah, it is delicious. Aloy ma! It means masarap, Mama P.
Yeah.
At marami akong kinakain. Alam mo dito, Miss Grand Organization is really good. They're taking good care of us. Grabe yung pagkain, nag-uumapaw. Overflowing. A lot. Yes. Last night, we ate dessert a lot and Thai food, fish. Yes. Octopus, pork, crispy pork.
Wow! Nagutom kami, Miss Thailand. Sa mga sinabi, sa mga binanggit niya.
Thai milk tea. Lagi niya ako nililibre ng Thai milk tea.
Hala!
kayo.
Favorite ni Emma yan. You can't go wrong with that.
Different.
How many hours do you guys sleep at all? Do you sleep at all?
Before, during the competition, we're lucky to sleep for 4 hours, but we're happy and we're grateful that the organization really has this planned schedule. They really want us to go to sleep early, but for us being a candidate, we train, we prepare, that's why we sleep late. But the organization, they're really organized. And sometimes our call time is not really that early, you know. But we need to wake up early to do the hair and makeup. But for now, I think we slept like 7 hours. Yes. 6 hours.
That's good.
Yes.
I don't understand how you guys can be so gorgeous with so little sleep. But,
We just woke up.
grabe.
We just woke up.
Sarap naman.
Woke up like this.
Woke up like this, you say. Woke up like this. Woke up like this. Woke up to go like this. Woke up to go like this. Yun yung masarap, Mama, kasi kami mag-roommate, tapos up until the end of the pageant, kami yung magkahawak ng kamay.
Totoo.
And our answer during the closed door, if it's not us who's going to win the crown, who do you think will win the crown? Who deserves the crown? And the answer is, I answered Thailand and she answered Philippines.
Aww.
Yes.
Mutual Admiration Club. Love it.
Sana pwede rin siya pumunta dito sa Pilipinas. Si
Isama mo
Belle.
siya dito pag uwi mo.
Maybe next time, maybe on my homecoming, they will visit the Philippines. Also.
Yay!
Come over
Yes.
to Thailand.
We would love to have you on the show and meet you personally.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, thank you so much for opportunity. I want to go there. I want to
yes.
go to Philippines and thank you for support. Thank you kindness.
And Emma will direct a special TikTok dance with you
Oh,
Yes.
and us.
And us.
That's one of her talents.
Actually, the one we're trying to do.
Emma like the dance na.
Oo.
Me too.
What is the most fun that you guys have done since after the competition?
I think this travel is like the fun one and the unforgettable one because this is the first journey of us being Grand Queens, and all of us, the 3 queens, especially Miss Venezuela, it's our first time to visit Chiang Mai, and we had a time to visit the temples and the beautiful city of Chiang Mai. Yes, and you know what, the Thai people are really welcome to Mama P. Parang feeling ko nasa Pinas din ako. They're the same as the Filipinos.
Oo, they're super nice and friendly.
Oh, yun nga daw, nag-ano din daw kami na Thai dress din daw. Yes.
Ayaw nga, ang ganda mo doon. Nakita ko you guys walked on the runway. Is that correct?
Yes. The Thai traditional dress, which is modern, and we also had a shoot yesterday dito sa kilalang temple dito sa Chiang Mai. We tried the Lana Thai traditional. Yes. May iba't ibang pila sila. Good, great.
Galing. We're so happy for you, for the both of you.
Yes.
Emma, anybody you wanna thank? We have a few minutes left. Go ahead.
Hindi, huwag natin tapos ito.
Oh,
Hanggang alas 12 na, no? Baka may tayong airplano.
No. First of all, just greet Miss Pia. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Pia.
Oh, you're so sweet. You sang
Happy
pa.
birthday, Miss Pia. Happy birthday, Miss Pia. Happy birthday, Miss Pia.
Oh, thank you very much.
All the best and happiness.
Thank you very much. How do you say it in Thai?
Thank you, Hermano. Thank you. Thank
Bye.
you.
Nice meeting you.
Okay. Thank you, my love. Thank you. See you next time. See you.
ganda.
Thank you. Bye. She's so much fun, Emma. Buti na lang.
Yeah.
Siya ang nakatrabaho mo.
Tinipot ako na siya yung roommate ko.
Buti na lang.
And for all the people who supported me, first of all, God, thank you so much for this opportunity. You know that I'm praying this for more than a decade. You know, we started joining pageant since I was 20, since 2012. And 13 years after we got the 13th MGI crown, imagine, no, you just have to be patient. And I remember, or I realized na all the setbacks will bring you to the grandest comeback pala. Madaming iniyak, maraming pinagdaanan, pero yun pala, pinapastrong ka lang ni God para pagdating mo dun sa pinapangarap mo, mas magampanin mo yung role mo for that. And my family, my friends, maraming salamat. Kada Umaga family, Net 25 family, thank you for being so supportive. To my team, Emma, Mommy G, Vico, my stylist, Crown and Concept, to all the videographers, photographers, without them, wala kayong content na makikita, hindi kayo mabubusog sa content. And to all the Filipino fans, imagine not once but 4 times we reached 1 million reactions on Miss Grand International, and we got the award Country's Power of the Year.
Galing.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Thank you very much. Grabe, nag-uumapaw talaga yung heart ko. I don't know how to explain it, but every time I see your comment and your reaction, I'm so kilig. Kinikilig na talaga ako. Maraming salamat to all the Filipino designers, to everyone who's been part of the grand journey. I can't wait to see you. Maraming salamat. Alam ko magpapag-grand homecoming, I should know nung when. Pero lagi naman ako nag-update. So, abang-abang. At hindi naman kayo mawawala sa update. And I can't wait to visit you there. Hello, visit sa lang.
At I'm sure hindi lang yun ang umaapaw, pati ang mga offers umaapaw. Am I right, Emma?
Sana naman makabawi.
Emma, para
Darating
no?
yan, Emma.
Thank you,
Darating
babe.
yan for sure. We love you, Emma. And please take care of yourself. God bless you. Thanks for the surprise video call amidst
Happy
your very
birthday.
busy schedule. Lagi kang wala sa birthday ko. Babawi ka na lang sa sa pasalubong.
Back to you to Wala ka sa competition ko, wala ka sa birthday mo, back to you. I love you both.
grabe ang mga pang on the spot dito, no?
Grabe.
On live TV. Love you, Emma!
Love you, Mama P. Love you, Amiga. I love you so much. I love you, Kada Umaga family. Maraming salamat.
Salamat! Bye! Keep posting para alam namin kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Love ya!
Love you, Ems. Pagka kung tumagal pa ng konti, iyak na ako. I'm always crying when I see Emma. Out of happiness.
Oo, super. She's ibang klase, no? Parang, grabe yung dating niya ngayon, saksakan ng glowy.
Super Hollywood. I love it.
Yung pala bagay sa'yo, 4 na oras lang ang tulog. Huwag mo nang hihigitan doon.
Oo nga.